Hey you guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing another video from my mini series, my fall decorating video, and we are going to do the dining room today. I got a couple of pieces from Kirkland's and Hobby Lobby to bring it to pass. So this right here, this is the picture that will be going up in place of the other picture. So what I am really excited about is that it's gonna bring some color into the house, because I've had my house decorated like with just kind of blues, grays, and so it's you know, it's exciting to bring a couple colors in and change it up a bit. So yeah, but this picture I got from Kirkland's and it was on sale. Originally it's $7.99. I got it for $47. So Kirkland's is having a good sale on their fall decor. So we got this little pumpkin shaped basket. I don't know if you can really tell, but it's supposed to be like a pumpkin. So I am going to put some flowers in here that I got from Hobby Lobby. This was also on sale as well. I think theirs were like 30% sale at Hobby Lobby. But I got this pumpkin basket. So this is gonna be my centerpiece for the dining. I got these little burlap like plate mats, and they're going to go on the table. I don't know if I'm going to do a 4-seat or a 6-seat. It's a 6-seat table, but I don't know if I'm going to plate all 6 seats, but we'll see. I do have enough material if I want to plate 6 to do so. So yeah, got these. I felt like they were bringing like a warm, like, you know, color to fall, like with the browns and the oranges and stuff. So, and we're going to still keep the blue as our base color as well. So I'm going to go ahead and get started so you guys can see the rest of the stuff that I purchased as I do the video.